What's up guys, Holden here from Big Bear Perfomance. Today we are going to make a video showing you how to do the Baja lights. We get a lot of questions about these. They don't come with instructions. They are a little bit complicated, I guess, if you've never done it, if you're not familiar with it. So we're gonna start with removing the fairing. Come to the back, get what's obvious. Same on this side.
Yeah.
Speaker grills don't have a bolt here. You just pop them out and you have to remove the bolt underneath.
Just go in 4 clicks on rebound and come all the way out.
Rubber piece here.
And you'll find that go all the way out on both, and then rebound, go in 4 clicks, and
just this
leave
one.
all the way out.
And the same on the other side.
Just call me when you get the shocks, and then it's got twin tube in the front, twin tube in the rear.
From there, go down and remove the bolt from the blinker.
Oh yeah, dude, we'd be happy to fix the bolt.
3/16 Allen. And the same on the other side.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll get it.
After that, the windshield.
You got it, bro. Thanks, JP. Bye.
Wiggle loose after that. You have to unplug your 2 turn signals. One and 2. That's it for your front fairing. Now that the outer fairing's off, what you want to do is get your stock light out. We already got these installed just for video purposes, but the only thing in common is this vent that you'll have to remove. It'll give you a lot of access in and out of the fairing, and it's just one Torx right here. Kind of hard to see. Just that one, and those are out. That's it. Next step, getting the harness installed. We cruise over to another bike since that one's already buttoned up. You open the package, of course. You got the 2 relays. This plugs into your stock headlight and turns into what plugs into your Baja lights. You're just gonna run that through here. After removing your fuel tank, unclip this. Brake line's out of the way. Me up here. There. It looks like a mess, but you don't need to do anything except for lay this in here. Nice and neat, make sure not to pinch any wires. This, you can cut to length if you want and hide it in here the best you can. It just hooks to the battery, positive and negative, and reverse the process. On the other bike, you saw a different style relay that you're able to bolt here and here. or whatever works for you. It can go here, here. If it comes with this style relay, don't freak out. It's the same thing. We just zip tie it up like we did this one. It's nice and clean. You won't be able to see it when the lights are installed. Next step is your H bracket with the long flat bar towards the rear. Leave you more room for your L brackets here. It doesn't offset it. Use the screws that came out of your stock light. Should bolt right up, and you can torque it down because it's not coming out again. Easy enough. H bracket's on, and now you want to get these lights up here. For that, the 4 supplied L brackets, the adjustable side in the front, like that. Using the hex bolts that came with the light. Get them all snug. I don't like to really torque these down yet, because when you get it on there, you can move it around and adjust the light. You're going to be working from the back up here, so do the same thing for your lights and then move on. All right, all your L brackets are on. Adjustables in the front. These are tight. These are not super tight. You'll still be able to get to that with a wrench once you have it installed. This one looks a little rough. It's already been on, but at this point, you can start with your hardware. This hardware through the back there. Just go ahead and do 2 of them. Maybe it won't fall out on me. And you should have plenty of room. If you tuck this away clean enough, you can get your hands in here from the top or the bottom to get the bolt started. Of course, I can't get it started now.
All right, you ready? You got the step stool, the white one?
It's almost as hard to film as
you
putting it on there.
Okay, we got it started. There. That's a little bit, you have to fight with it a little bit. It's not Lego blocks, but that's a process all the way across, and after that, we'll go over torquing it down with you. Same thing from the outside of the lights. Having that vent out makes this possible. You can also, with a long extension, reach through the vent and get a straight angle on this when you get ready to torque it down. You can get in here with a couple different things. So getting in here is probably the #1 cause of all the phone calls we get. It's tough, like I said earlier, but this is our preferred secret weapon. Short Allen, flexible ratchet. Go right in the backside. A couple different angles you can get. That works.
And that's how it's done. Steven fucking Spielberg.
Welcome to Big Bear Production.
Oh shit!
Welcome to Big Bear Productions, bitch. All right, torqued all the way across the board. Now for the really hard part. Oh, I actually can't see it. Plug it in. You left these front ones loose. You can do your adjustment. You have a little bit. With these lights, to be honest, whether you have it pointed down or up, you're gonna get coverage. Around corners, getting what you pay for with these things.
Do that again.
This
Nice and tight.
tight, installed. That's your Baja kit. Pretty simple from there. Fairing goes back on the same way it comes off. We'll film a little bit of that for you guys. Don't think we'll have to explain it, but that's it.